Jesus when my darkest doubts befall. Trust Him when to simply trust Him seems the hardest thing of all. I can trust my Saviour Jesus, trust Him when my strength is small, for I know the shield of Jesus is the safest place of all. Jesus, only Jesus, help me trust You more and more. Jesus, only Jesus, may my heart be ever Yours. I will trust my Saviour Jesus, He has said His way is best, for I know the path He's chosen leads to everlasting rest. Jesus, only Jesus, help me trust You more and more. Jesus, only Jesus, may my heart be ever Yours. Oh, on that cross, how it was seen. I can go now ever trusting in the one who died for me. What could I bring? For Your gift is complete. So I'll trust You, simply trust You, Lord, with every part of me. Oh, on that cross, how it was seen. I can go now ever trusting in the one who died for me. What could I bring? For Your gift is complete. So I'll trust You, simply trust You, Lord, with every part of me. I will trust my Saviour Jesus every hour of my life, as I journey home to see Him. He will never leave my side.